Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying where the OTG connection is failing and why. Most issues are physical wear or debris. Once done, power off and remove any power source so you won't short anything. Next, clean the port gently with compressed air and inspect under magnification. Make sure to use a spudger and avoid metal probes. If the connector itself is damaged, prepare to open the device. You'll need a small Phillips and plastic pry tools to proceed safely. Once the device is open, take steady work and good light. Keep screws organized so reassembly is painless. Inspect the OTG port, solder joints, and any flex cable. A cracked solder joint often causes intermittent contact. If joints are dull or lifted, reflow them with a low-temp iron and thin solder. If the connector is loose in its housing, apply a tiny dab of epoxy after alignment. Make sure cables are routed the same way to avoid new strain. Now reassemble carefully, aligning clips and tightening screws just enough to avoid cracking plastic. Once closed, power on and test OTG functionality with 2 different cables and a known good peripheral. If it works, monitor for looseness over a day to confirm reliability. If you still see intermittent connections, make sure the device ground is solid and the port isn't flexing. If it is, replace the connector assembly. A final troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, inspect the board under magnification for hairline traces or lifted pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.